If you're in the real estate investing world, you may have heard the term hard money lender thrown around. But what exactly is a hard money lender? A hard money lender is typically a private investor or company that provides short-term loans for real estate investments. These loans are secured by the property itself and are primarily based on the value of the property and the potential for profit rather than the borrower's credit score or income. Unlike traditional lenders, hard money lenders can often provide quick financing with fewer requirements and much less paperwork. However, hard money loans typically involve higher interest rates and shorter repayment periods than traditional loans. This is because hard money lenders take on more risk by providing loans to investors who may not qualify for traditional loans or who need financing quickly. It's also important to note that not all hard money lenders are created equal. And that's it for this one. Hopefully you learned something and watch the next.